And today we were really impressed by the Pariksha Pe Charcha, the interaction which the Prime Minister of our country has been doing for the past 8 years. He started this Pariksha Pe Charcha right from the year 2018, and every year students really look up to this event, as this is an interaction in which our Prime Minister guides the children on how to prepare well for the examination, and his basic idea is to help the children beat the stress, the anxiety that they face because of the pressure of the examination. And
how was the response of your students?
Sir, it is excellent. And as you know that in our school, actually, we have around 51 classrooms. Previously, we used to make the children sit at one place and watch the show of this Pariksha Pe Charcha. But now we have ensured that in every classroom, we have the smart boards and the children see it very naturally and they enjoy the interactions of the Prime Minister with the children. And as far as you have asked me that what is the response of my children, you can themselves interact with them and know what they wish to say.
Good afternoon. My name is Bhakti Gupta, and I want to tell that Pariksha Pe Charcha was very interactive session between Prime Minister and students. It tells us that Pariksha dar nahi dost hai. It also guides us for that how we should manage our time and from cope with stress. It also tells that we should not afraid of failure. We should learn from our past mistakes. So it was very interactive and helpful session for us.
Good morning. My name is Iris John, and the Pariksha for Charcha session was very interactive. I learned that instead of feeling fear for the exams, we should prepare for it, and it's not a fear, it's our dost. And I learned that if we plan for it before the exams, if we manage our time, if we manage our stress, we can do our exams really well.
In this program, I learned very much things, and our Prime Minister said that he is a Prime Minister, yet he manages his time very well. And I also know that I'm just a student and I should manage my time. And I learned very much things. Thank you.
अभी हमने एक वीडियो देखी है परीक्षा पे चर्चा। उसमें हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी ने बताया है कि हमें कभी भी एग्ज़ाम्स को स्ट्रेस की तरह नहीं लेना चाहिए, और मोस्टली बच्चों के पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि आपको अपने एग्ज़ाम्स में अच्छे मार्क्स लाने हैं, और कई बच्चे उसको प्रेशर की तरह ले लेते हैं। हमें वैसे नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें समझना चाहिए कि वो हमें उस चीज़ के लिए मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं।
परीक्षा पे चर्चा के जरिए हमें काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला है, जैसे कि एग्ज़ाम हमें हमारी पूरी तरह हमारी काबिलियत नहीं बताता। वो ये नहीं बताता कि हम किस तरह के इंसान हैं, वो सिर्फ ये बताता है, वो हमारी आज की परसेप्शन को स्टडी करता है। हम अक्सर एग्ज़ाम्स को देखकर घबरा जाते हैं कि एग्ज़ाम्स आ गए, हे भगवान क्या बला टूट पड़ी हम पर, जबकि एग्ज़ाम तो इतनी भी बड़ी चीज़ है नहीं। बस बात है मेहनत की, अपना टाइम मैनेज करने की, उसको सही से यूज़ करने की, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम किसी त्यौहार से कम नहीं है। एग्ज़ाम हमें बताता है कि हम एक नई स्टेज में आने वाले हैं, एक ऐसे नए पड़ाव में आने वाले हैं।
भाटी जी आज क्या सीखा? मोदी जी बता रहे थे
काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला है। सबसे पहले तो हमें टाइम मैनेज करना सीखा है, और यह सीखा कि एग्ज़ाम से घबराना नहीं है। यह हमें यह बताता है कि हम एक जीवन के नए पड़ाव में एंटर करें हैं।